6 repairs to make before selling your home. So you're ready to put your home on the market, and to you, everything looks pretty good. Unfortunately, much of the wear and tear on your home becomes unnoticeable when it's something you see every day. While you may not think about the one light switch that doesn't work, or the chipping paint in the guest bedroom, now is the time to take a step back and look at your home with fresh eyes. When you decide to sell your home, the first thing you should do is make any repairs you can to save yourself money in the long run. Here are a few repairs to cross off your list so you can get the best deal for your home. Number 1. Paint your walls. Repainting the rooms that need a fresh face is the cheapest way to update the appearance of your home. Consider using light neutral colors to appeal to a broader group of buyers. Number 2. Make minor kitchen repairs. Even if your kitchen isn't large and spacious, a full renovation might not make sense financially. If your agent doesn't advise you towards a renovation, consider making minor repairs instead. Paint what needs painting and install new fixtures where necessary. Number 3. Update your bathroom. The first priority is to make sure your bathroom looks clean. If the toilet looks old, for instance, replace the seat to give it a fresh new appearance. Replace any tiles that may be missing, clean the grout, and remove old wallpaper that might still be there. This is a room you should consider painting if need be to make it appear bright and clean. Number 4. Fix the exterior. The outside of your home is the first thing buyers will see, so it's important that it looks good. Trim the bushes, rake leaves and debris, sweep your walkway, and consider touching up bare spots in your lawn with sod. Remove anything around your front or backyard that has gotten too weathered and worn, like plant pots, lawn statues, garden fencing, and nostalgic swing sets that your kids haven't used in 10 years. If your fence needs sprucing up, a fresh coat of paint might be just what it needs. Mow your grass and consider renting a power washer to make your siding look brand new. Number 5. Maximize lighting. Brighter rooms mean larger appearing rooms, which is always appealing to potential buyers. So your goal is to not only replace outdated light fixtures to make your home look newer, but to bring more light into each room to make your home look more spacious. Wash all of your windows so they appear clean and new. You can even hang mirrors in some rooms so that they reflect the light source and add more light. Number 6. Fix minor hardware issues. Potential buyers are going to want everything to work. Do a full walkthrough of your home, checking all light switches, doorknobs, and locks. Repair or replace anything that doesn't work as it should. If you've done all 6 of these steps, your home is no doubt getting into good shape for potential home buyers. And all of these repairs add up to a bigger asking price. The next steps in getting your home ready to be put on the market are cleaning, decluttering, and depersonalizing. Watch more of our videos on home staging and getting your house ready for the open house to get ideas on all of these. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below. Click the subscribe button below if you'd like to keep seeing more videos like this from us on all things real estate. And the bell icon to be notified every time we put out a new video.